Got an ABT file from a research project and wondering how to read it? This format stores academic bibliography entries with annotations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with annotated bibliography files. Don't close the guide if the ABT file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional high success rate method designed for deep format errors. An ABT file is a track template created by ACID Pro, a professional digital audio workstation, DAW. Music producers use these files to save a specific track's settings, including its effects chain, volume, and panning. This allows them to quickly reuse complex track setups in different projects. The ABT file is a small proprietary data file, likely structured in a binary or XML-like format. It stores parameters and references to plugins rather than raw audio data. This design makes the file lightweight and portable, enabling efficient workflow replication without duplicating large audio assets. The best utility for reliable viewing of ABT is known to be ACID Pro by Magic Software GmbH. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows enables simple listening, but any serious editing depends on compatible audio tools. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your ABT file and select Open With. Test ACID Pro if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the ABT file won't open, don't panic. This is a truly stubborn ABT file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, opening as text. Open the ABT file in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, or TextEdit. The bibliography entries and annotations display as readable plain text. Most ABT files follow a consistent layout with citations followed by indented or paragraphed annotations describing each source. Next, importing to reference managers. Import ABT bibliography content into Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote by selecting the appropriate import filter or copying citation entries. Reference managers parse the bibliographic data into structured records while preserving annotations as notes attached to each citation for organized research libraries. Finally, formatting for submission. Copy ABT content into Microsoft Word or Google Docs and apply the required citation style formatting. Use Word's references tools or add-ins like Zotero Word plugin to format citations consistently. Export the final formatted bibliography as PDF or docx for academic submission. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.